Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have two top contenders in the world of robot vacuums: the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum and the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus. These two powerhouses are equipped with advanced features and cutting-edge technology. So let's dive in and compare them in different categories to see which one comes out on top. Let's start with the price point. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum comes in at $599, while the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus is priced at $549. Both options are on the higher end, but the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus takes the lead with a slightly lower price. When it comes to cleaning performance, both products excel. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum boasts incredible suction power, ensuring it picks up dirt and debris on all floor types. It features a self-cleaning brush roll that digs deep into carpets and engages hardwood floors, making it perfect for homes with pets. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus impresses with its 4-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface rubber brushes, which adapt to different floor types and avoid getting tangled with pet hair. It also utilizes dirt detect technology to focus on dirtier areas. It's a tough call, but both products offer exceptional cleaning performance. Now, let's talk about the self-emptying feature. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum comes with a bagless, self-emptying base that can hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris. This means you won't have to worry about emptying the bin frequently. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus also impresses with its automatic bin emptying system, which eliminates the need for you to think about vacuuming for up to 60 days. Both products offer convenience in this aspect, making it a tie. Mapping and navigation play a crucial role in ensuring efficient cleaning. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum features 360-degree LiDAR vision, which quickly and accurately maps your home. This allows the robot to methodically clean, detect, and avoid objects in its path. The iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus learns your home and creates an Imprint Smart Map, allowing you to direct it to clean specific rooms on a set schedule or in the moment. While both products offer advanced mapping and navigation, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum takes the lead with its precision home mapping capabilities. Voice control has become increasingly popular in smart home devices. With the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum, you can set a cleaning schedule, initiate on-demand cleaning, or activate cleans with just the sound of your voice using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus also understands more voice commands than any other 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop. Simply pair it with Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant-enabled devices and tell it to clean specific rooms. In this category, it's a tie, as both products offer seamless voice control integration. Based on online reviews, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum is highly recommended for hardwood floors and has a rating of 4.5 out of 5. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus is considered an upgrade from previous vacuums and is recommended to be purchased on sale. And there you have it, a comprehensive comparison between the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum and the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus. While both products have their strengths, it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. Remember to consider factors such as price, cleaning performance, self-emptying features, mapping and navigation, and voice control when making your decision. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.